What is up, YouTube? This is DarTV here. Finally got my package in the mail here for my MadCatz force feedback racing wheel. And I got this for the Xbox 360. For the longest time, this wheel was over $250. It was almost $300, but it was on sale for $150. So I went ahead and ordered it. And I went ahead and got a media remote too, because it was like $12 and I figured I could use one. And here's the wheel. And it just has languages and stuff. Alright, these are the pedals that everybody rags on. Mounting bracket, metal shift. This is just the unboxing. I'll make another review video after I've used it for a little bit. Stay tuned.